care clinic called My Health Eye Care. And previously, can somebody help me with this? So this is the name of the clinic, that's the branding. Here we're going to be talking about, we're going to be providing a complete personalized program for obesity, malnutrition, nutrition, diet, fitness, obesity, diabetes, cholesterol, stress management, and mind-body balance. These are all lifestyle-oriented problems, and I think the lifestyle-based intervention is the way to go. And I think as healthcare is positioned today, I think in the next 5 to 10 years, 15 years, I think we're going to see a paradigm shift in the way healthcare is offered. Currently, prevention is pretty much limited to diagnostics and so on and so forth. I think as a process of creating a lifestyle change and intervention, you kind of need a support and a continued support, because any change that you want to make in your life, a lifestyle habit change, takes about an average of 90 days. So you can't do this all by yourself, especially this becomes even more important post a surgery. Because usually a patient would know till surgery, this is my roadmap. But what happens after surgery? They kind of feel very depressed, they kind of feel very isolated and lonely. So therefore a wellness coach and a consultant comes in the picture here. Some of you must have already gone through my profile, but some of my credentials, I've done my master's in integrative health in America. I've done my master's in wellness coaching and health coaching from America. I've done my master's in wellness management, which makes me qualified to create wellness programs. I also have a lot of certification in a lot of different healing arts and modalities, yoga. I've also been the former Reebok Fitness brand ambassador for the country. This was about 22 years ago. These are some of my associations in the past. I have worked with UCSF Center for Integrative Medicine in America, which is run and managed by the University of Berkeley. It's the largest integrative medicine center in the world. I've also worked with Charlotte Maxwell Center for Cancer for underprivileged women and children in San Francisco. I've worked with Aetna, which is one of the largest insurance companies in the world. We've actually created a wellness coaching program for underprivileged societies and communities in San Francisco. Obviously, as I mentioned, I've had a long tenure with Reebok, and when I was about 20 years younger. So I've had a long stint there. I've worked with Herbalife. I've worked with a lot of companies which are into natural and herbal products like BioNatural, Oracles, and Dorcas. And obviously being associated with Girton Institute of Integrative Health. Again, it's an integrative health besides other brands. These are some of my testimonials from international. Meg Jordan is one of the leading person, actually the leading woman in the health and wellness space. She co-chairs the National Wellness Institute, which is the oldest wellness institute in the world. It probably started in 1945. And she was also the program director of my program, my master's degree. So this is her testimonial, followed by Ivan. Ivan was, he actually heads the Osher Center for Integrative Medicine. I had an opportunity to work very closely with both of them. Before I move on to other testimonials, I do want to bring in Arpita. Because Arpita actually came to me in my private practice after my stint and my return from America, and I wanted her to basically share her personal experience.
So this was about a month and a half back that I went, so obviously work, stress and 20 other things happening, and I have always been interested in the preventive sphere. And we always wanted to find out somebody who can do both diet, exercise and some kind of stress management together. It's very difficult to get one person to do all three. And as a requirement for us, especially working individual, it becomes something that you want to go to one person who can give you all this kind of a thing. And I've discussed with Dr. Rupa Salwan and a lot of other clinicians that I know, is there somebody who works on all three spaces? And then somehow through the internet I found out somebody like Preeti, so I booked an online appointment with her. She has a clinic in Hostas, Gulmohar Park. So I went to visit her, and then I had a 1.5 hour session with her. And she obviously made me do a whole wellness cycle and rate myself. And I was rating pathetic in every form, in terms of stress, in terms of food, in terms of exercise. I was like 2 out of 10, 3 out of 10. And I was like, professionally, I'm probably 9 out of 10. I kept telling her, but health-wise, I wasn't at all what was planned. So good thing was that I interacted with her and I told her, you have to come to Max. First thing I told her, because it would be difficult for me to coordinate and go there, and there are a lot of people like me who would want something like this. And the good thing about Preeti is obviously it's just been a month, but she is not, and I have been, knowing women, we've been to a lot of dietitians and all these places, and they're very fat based, 8 months you lose weight and do all that. she's very clear that it's not going to be, an overnight thing. It's going to take time. And she emphasizes a lot on habit-forming things. For example, a very clear example that, I don't have fruit very often. And, Preeti said that when you wake up, after half an hour, you should have an apple. Because your metabolism then starts revving up. Because once you wake up in the morning, by the time you have breakfast, so I'm an early riser, I wake up at 5:36, but I used to have breakfast by 9 o'clock. So she would say that start having something right after half an hour of you waking up. And ever since I've been to her, at least that habit has started forming. And it's just become mentally. Then, she's given some tips like that, where I'm just seeing those small things. It's not all together, but they're forming habits, which is nice. So we've had some target discussions till October that I have to do with her.
Other than financial targets.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is personal targets, all personal targets. Where I'm rating horribly right now. What if
I think if I may share something from your, I can.
Yeah.
Because it's usually client
Yeah.
confidentiality. She was on a lot of medication for acid reflux and all of those things, and what is great, within about 2 weeks, I think we were off all kinds of medication, and she's no longer taking them, and she's feeling much better. So I just wanted you to hear from the horse's mouth. Please come on.
I'm taking it.
This is Radha Krishnamurthy. She's my mentor. She was the first master trainer in the country. Currently, she's a coach for the cricket team. We will just skip through the next few testimonials because we don't have time. These are some of my other clients that I have worked with, and they are personal testimonials. They are also on my website. Just skip through all that. So, what is really health and wellness coaching, right? So, I think a lot of people are very curious about this space. The health and wellness coaching model is still also new internationally, but gaining a lot of momentum. And what is happening, like when you're looking at health coaching versus wellness coaching, health coaching predominantly looks at the physical dimension of somebody's life. Yeah, you're looking at the body per se. But the wellness coaching aspect actually covers the physical, mental, emotional, social, spiritual, environmental, all these other factors. And there's enough studies, clinical studies that have been done that basically show that if there's imbalance in one aspect of your life, it actually affects the other aspect. So illness, so as we know it, disease is not only because of just what we eat, it's also how we eat, when we eat, who we eat, why we eat, and with whom we eat. So, and also it's not about we are what we eat, that's what we've been hearing about, but we also are, we eat what we are. Do you understand the difference? We eat what we are. So if we are depressed, we are actually changing the chemical composition of the food. So I'm just giving you some examples. So we cover in wellness coaching all of these different areas, and it's very similar to professional life coaching and counseling, but mental counseling is usually retroactive. We're looking at the past a lot, whereas in wellness coaching you're more proactive, looking in the future, trying to cultivate and educate the client and to kind